you supposed to be? Some kind of a cosmonaut?
No, we're exterminators. Somebody saw a cockroach up on 12.
That's got to be some cockroach.
Bite your head off, man. Going up?
I'll take the next one.
You know, it's just occurred to me we really haven't had a completely successful test of this equipment.
I blame myself.
So do I.
Well, no sense worrying about it now.
Why worry? Each of us is wearing an unlicensed nuclear accelerator on his back.
Yep. Let's get ready. Switch me on.
Sorry.
Sorry. I'm sorry. We thought you were someone else. Successful test. I guess so. I think we better split up.
Good idea.
Yeah, we can do more damage that way. Venkman! Venkman!
Disgusting blob. I'm gonna have to hold him myself.
Come in, Ray.
Venkman! I saw it!
It's right here, Ray. It's looking at me.
He's an ugly little spud, isn't he?
I think he can hear you, Ray.
Don't move. It won't hurt you. Venkman! What happened? Are you okay?
He slimed me.
That's great! Actual physical contact! Can you move?
Ray, come in, please.
I feel so funky.
Spengler! I'm with Venkman. You got slimed!
That's great, Ray. Save some for me. Get down here right away. I just went into a ballroom.
Okay, we'll be right there.
Okay, sir, if you and your staff could please wait out here, we'll take care of everything.
There it is, on the ceiling.
That's the one that got me.
Right, boys. Ready? Throw it! I did that. That's my fault.
It's okay. The table broke the fall.
There's something very important I forgot to tell you.
What?
Don't cross the streams.
Why?
It would be bad.
I'm fuzzy on the whole good-bad thing. What do you mean bad?
Try to imagine all life as you know it stopping instantaneously and every molecule in your body exploding at the speed of light.
Total protonic reversal.
All right, that's bad. Okay. All right, important safety tip. Thanks, Egon. All right, Ray, take the left. Egon, take the right. Okay, Ray, give me one hiding outside. Ray! Okay, all right. Nice shooting, Tex.
I assure you, Mrs. Van Houten, there is no problem with the room. It will be ready promptly at time as soon as your guests are with us.
The last throw took something out of him, but he's gonna move. I need some room to put the trap down. Give me some room.
You excuse me, please?
We gotta get this in the clear. Wait.
I've always wanted to do this. And the flowers are still standing.
Okay, on my go, single. Spengler, I want a confinement stream from you, okay? Go! Okay, hold him up there. He's gonna move. Hold him up. Go!
Working, Ray.
Start bringing him down. You've got him. Don't cross the stream.
Maybe now you'll never slime a guy with a positron collider, huh?
Thanksman, shorten your stream. I don't want my face burned off.
All right, I'm opening that trap now. Don't look directly into the trap.
I looked at the trap, Ray.
Bring your streams off as soon as I close the trap. Get ready. I'm closing it. Now!
It's in there.
Well, that wasn't such a chore now, was it?